Are you looking for the best blenders for baby food? In this video we will look at some of the 8 best blenders for baby food on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ninja Foodi Power Blender and Processor System. The Ninja Foodi Power Blender tops our list because of its tremendous versatility and value. If you want a multifunctional appliance that can help you make baby food and feed the rest of the family, a powerful standard blender such as this one is your best bet. This model features a huge capacity and huge power, as well as a bunch of other attachments that are useful for baby food. In addition to its 72-ounce pitcher, it comes with a smaller nutrient extractor cup designed to create ultra-smooth purees, in other words, perfect baby food. There's also a smoothie bowl maker with a built-in tamper that can handle frozen fruit, ice, and tough greens, more ingredients that you're likely to use for feeding an infant. There's even a dough-kneading blade so you can whip up fresh bread or bake delicious cookies with ease. The Foodi's variable speed control and 6 pre-programmed settings let it create textures from smoothie to chopped veggies, so it's versatile and powerful enough to grow with your baby, as well as serve as an everyday kitchen appliance for people of any age. The only 2 real complaints? It's noisy and it's also heavy, so keep that in mind. Dimensions: 8.2 x 8.4 x 14.2 inches. Weight: 8.2 pounds. Maximum capacity: 72 ounces. Power: 1200 watts. Includes blender base, 72-ounce pitcher, 24-ounce smoothie cup with lid, 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker with lid, chopping blade, dough blade, recipe book. Number 2. Baby Brezza One-Step Baby Food Maker Deluxe. Technique-wise, homemade baby food is pretty simple. You cook fruits and veggies until soft, then puree them. But monitoring the process, transferring from stove to blender, and then cleaning up all the equipment can be a pain, especially when you have a baby to take care of at the same time. The Baby Brezza solves that problem by incorporating all the steps into a single machine. The all-in-one tool steam cooks food inside the blender bowl, then automatically turns on the blades when cooking is done. You fill it, start it, and just walk away while it does the work. The Baby Brezza also works quickly, with most recipes ready to serve or store in 10 to 15 minutes. The LCD control panel is simple to use, with time controls for both steaming and blending, as well as steam-only and blend-only modes to increase its functionality. For blend-only mode, you do have to hold the button down the entire time. It can make completely smooth fruit and veggie purees and then upgrade to chunkier foods and meat or fish as your baby grows into a toddler. The bowl holds up to 3.5 cups and is dishwasher safe, along with the blade. The steam module and water tank can't go in the dishwasher, but both open up fully for easy access with a sponge. We previously featured the non-deluxe model on this roundup, which has since been discontinued, and our one complaint was that it didn't come with storage containers. This upgraded version includes a set of 3 Baby Brezza pouches, and you can always purchase more, that are reusable, dishwasher and freezer safe, and even come with a funnel to make filling easier. Dimensions: 7.5 x 10 x 9 inches. Weight: 5.2 pounds. Maximum capacity: 3.5 cups. Power: 400 watts, steamer: 150 watts, blender, includes blender/steamer base, blade, 3.5 cup bowl, 3 reusable pouches, 3 funnels. Number 3. Bebo Baby Cook Neo Baby Food Maker. The sleek and modern-looking Bebo Baby Cook Neo is a convenient system that can steam raw ingredients and blend them into ready-to-eat, or ready-to-freeze, baby meals in just 15 minutes. Plus, it can also defrost or reheat food straight from the fridge or freezer, no microwave required. Most of the models on this list have at least some plastic parts that come into contact with the food. These are usually free of BPA and other problematic chemicals, but if you're looking to avoid plastic altogether, the Baby Cook Neo is a great option. 1. Nothing plastic comes in contact with the food or the steam used to cook it. There's a glass blending jar and a stainless steel steaming rack and water reservoir. This machine has a small footprint for its impressive capacity. At 5.5 cups, it can make 10 infant-size servings at once. Whether you want to make applesauce, veggie purees, or multi-ingredient toddler meals, the process is easy. You fill the water reservoir and place food in the steamer basket insert. Touch the steam button to start the cooking process. When food is cooked, the unit will automatically shut off and sound a timer. Then, you transfer your food into the blender and hold the pulse button until the desired texture is reached. The brand also sells lidded glass storage containers and an insert for cooking rice, pasta, and grains. This isn't exactly an all-in-one machine, as you have to dump the food out of the steaming rack before blending. Everything happens in the same glass jar, but there's that one manual step in between. Dimensions: 14x 12.3x 11 inches weight, 6 pounds maximum capacity, 44 ounces power, 450 watts includes, blender/steamer base, blade, 44-ounce container, steamer basket. Number 4. Sage Spoonfuls Baby Puree and Blend Immersion Blender. The Sage Spoonfuls kit is great for small kitchens. It's a combination food processor and immersion blender you can use to make baby food or anything else that needs pureeing or chopping. The handheld stick blender can be used to blend soups, sauces, and steamed fruits and vegetables right in the pot. Or, you can attach the motor to the food processor bowl to create finely chopped and minced foods as your baby progresses to more advanced textures.
And worth it. It was nice to be able
to. The 4-cup food processor bowl is fairly small, albeit big enough for kid-sized meals, and the motor isn't the most powerful at just 300 watts, but for this price, it's still a solid deal. Both attachments are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, and the bowl's plastic is free of BPA, phthalates, lead, and PVC. This set doesn't come with any storage containers, but the brand does offer a 17-piece version that includes a steamer plus glass containers. Dimensions: 9x 9x 17 inches weight, 2.5 pounds maximum capacity, 32 ounces power, 300 watts includes, motor wand, immersion blender blade, food processor bowl and blade. Number 5. Newbie Mighty Blender Baby Food Maker Set. If you don't have a lot of counter space to dedicate to baby food making, the Newbie Mighty Blender Baby Food Maker Set is small in size but includes an amazing array of accessories. The bullet-style blender comes with a standard blender blade as well as a grinder blade to turn oats or other grains into fine powders for baby cereals. There's a short cup for pureeing a serving or two at a time as well as a larger batch bowl that includes a steamer insert so you can cook food in the microwave and then go straight to the blender. The Newbie includes lots of storage, as well, with 6 lidded cups that hold a single serving and a separate freezer tray for longer-term storage. The blender itself is fairly basic, it isn't the most powerful or versatile. Its 200-watt motor is on the weaker end, and it doesn't have any speed settings or timed programs. You push down on the cup to activate the blades, and your only control over the consistency of the final results comes by adjusting the blending time. The bowl and its accessories are not dishwasher safe, so you'll have to hand wash. Dimensions: 10.4x 11x 8.3 inches weight, 5.3 pounds maximum capacity, 16 ounces power, 200 watts includes, blender base, blending blade, milling blade, batch bowl, steamer insert, short blending cup with lid, 6, 2-ounce, storage cups with lid, freezer tray with lid, spatula, 2 feeding spoons, recipe book. Number 6. NutriBullet Baby, the complete baby food prep system. Made by the company behind the popular Magic Bullet, the NutriBullet Baby works in much the same way but is outfitted for homemade baby food, right down to the adorable smiley faces printed on its blending and storage jars. You can blend in either the 32-ounce bowl to make large batches of purees or in the 12-ounce handled cup for smaller portions to use right away. It comes with an impressive amount of storage, including 6 cups with a clever ring in the lid to record the date, and a freezer tray with space for a half dozen meals. This kit will put you well on your way to creating a serious backup stash of baby's favorite meals. And everything but the motor and blade can go straight into the dishwasher when it's time to clean up. The low price, simple operation, and assortment of accessories make the NutriBullet Baby appealing for new parents, but its mere 200-watt motor can really only handle fairly soft-cooked ingredients. Some reviewers also complain that the motor gives out and seals on the blending cups start to give out after several months of heavy use, so this may be a better choice for a family that's using a mix of homemade and jarred baby food. Dimensions: 5.4 x 5.2 x 11 inches weight, 4.6 pounds maximum capacity, 32 ounces power, 200 watts includes, blender base, blending blade, 32-ounce bowl with lid, 12-ounce short cup with handles and lid, 6 storage cups with date ring lids and storage tray, silicone freezer tray with lid, recipe book. Number 7. Ninja Blast Portable Blender. If you're a frequent traveler who still wants to blend your baby's food, then this portable option from Ninja is a great choice. It's got a long-lasting battery that allows you to blend anytime, anywhere, also good if the power goes out, and is small enough to fit in your car's cup holder. We tested it out not with baby food, specifically, and found it was pretty powerful. It had no trouble powering through non-frozen fruit to make smoothies and purees in just one blend cycle, but fibrous greens took an extra couple of blends. The blend cycle is a quick 30 seconds and the battery lasts for 15 of those cycles. When you no longer need it to make baby food, our tester found it worked well for salsas, chutneys, marinades, and salad dressings, and its small size and the fact that it's easy to clean make it ideal for smaller kitchens or quick tasks. You'll need to keep it close to a power source, though, when charging, as the cord is rather short. Dimensions: 3.54 x 3.54 x 10.7 inches weight, 2.03 pounds maximum capacity, 20 ounces power, N/A includes, 7.4 V USB-C rechargeable motor base, blending vessel, easy open sip lid, USB-C cable, quick start guide with 5 recipes. Number 8. Vitamix Immersion Blender. While some all-in-one baby food makers bring the food to the blender blade, this quiet device brings the blade to the food. A handheld immersion or stick blender can process both small and large quantities of food without taking up too much kitchen real estate. The Vitamix model has a 625-watt motor with 5 variable speeds to help you create any texture you want and control exactly how smooth or chunky your baby's meals will be. Thanks to the bell-shaped guard at the bottom, the blades won't scratch or damage surfaces, and you can use this blender one-handed in essentially any pot, pan, bowl, or vessel with at least a 3-inch wide opening, like a storage-friendly mason jar. The small blade size means the Vitamix might have trouble with larger pieces of food or more fibrous greens, though moving the blade up and down and side to side while blending will help break everything down into a smooth puree eventually. As infants begin to transition to eating what the rest of the family eats, you can also use the blender to process their portion into an age-appropriate texture and consistency right before serving. To clean, simply submerge the blade in soapy water and let it run for a few seconds, then rinse and dry. It's backed by Vitamix's legendary customer service. Beyond baby food, this blender will provide tons of versatility since it can also be used to make creamy soups, sauces, dressings, marinades, and dips. Dimensions: 18 x 3 x 3 inches weight, 2.9 pounds maximum capacity, N/A power, 625 watts includes, motor wand, blade base. Credit: The Spruce Eats / Donna Curry.